I've discovered 13 online typing jobs that are not your typical roles like transcription or data entry. These are unique options that you might not have encountered before, and my team and I invest substantial time researching each of these opportunities. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Starting with number 1, we have the remote intake specialist. These professionals operate in various industries, with healthcare being a common field. Their responsibilities include gathering demographics, patient information, insurance details, medical histories, consent forms, financial records, and insurance records for billing purposes. The role, which typically doesn't demand a college degree or prior experience, offers an annual income of approximately $41,000 to $65,000. For typing jobs, I would give this opportunity a score of 8.5 out of 10. Next up is the patient account representative, another medical-related typing job focused on expertise in medical billing. The role involves managing patient accounts, coordinating billing with insurance companies, and addressing patient inquiries. Earning around $42,000 to $58,000 annually, it's an accessible and stable position that doesn't necessarily require a college degree. Given its ease of entry and relative stability, I rate this typing job opportunity at 8.5 out of 10. Moving on to the appointment setter, also known as a business development representative in the technology B2B industry. This role involves finding and screening potential clients for companies selling high-ticket products and services. There are various types of appointment setters, including those handling inbound chats on platforms like Instagram. With an income range of $45,000 to $70,000, appointment setters often receive a base pay and commission on sales. Considering the diverse opportunities available, especially in chat-related settings, I assign this typing job an opportunity score of 9 out of 10. Moving on, we have the caption editor role, where your task is to listen to videos and create text-based closed captions. These captions are intended for individuals who are hearing impaired or those who prefer reading over listening. Caption editors typically earn an annual income ranging from $41,000 to $63,000. The key skills required for this position include fast typing, strong grammar, and attention to detail. While it might not be a lifelong career choice due to its repetitive nature, it can provide an opportunity to earn extra income. Considering these aspects, I would give it a 6 out of 10 opportunity score. Relevant job opportunities can be found on the screen. Next up is the technical support advisor position, where you assist people via email or chat in resolving technical issues. This job is suitable for individuals with good technological proficiency, and it is an entry-level role that doesn't necessitate a college degree or prior experience. Job opportunities are readily available, and you can earn approximately $36,000 to $53,000 annually. This role can serve as a stepping stone to various other lucrative careers within the technology industry. In fact, it's a great way to enter the tech industry, and there's potential for career advancement. Given these factors, I rate this typing job opportunity at 9 out of 10. Moving forward, we have the content moderator role, which involves watching videos or reviewing pictures on social media platforms to ensure they adhere to community guidelines. If content violates guidelines, moderators may delete it and provide an explanation. Content moderators typically earn between $46,000 and $81,000 annually. It's important to note that some content moderation jobs may involve disturbing content, so applicants should exercise caution. Overall, I give this opportunity a score of 6.5 out of 10. Relevant job opportunities can be explored on the screen. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you love the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now, let's get back to the video. Next, I'll touch briefly on transcription, a prevalent typing job. Two websites worth considering are CrowdSurf Work and Casting Words. Transcription involves listening to audio and converting it into written text. Proficiency in English and grammar, fast typing skills, and attention to detail are crucial for this job. On CrowdSurf, you can earn $18 to $28 per hour, while Casting Words offers $17 to $26 per hour, making them more lucrative options compared to other transcriptionist platforms. While transcription may not be a lifelong career choice due to its monotonous nature, it could be a viable option for a few years. I rate it a 7.5 out of 10 for its opportunity score. You can find the relevant links on the screen. Moving on, we have the tax preparer role, which involves finalizing tax details. Contrary to popular belief, you don't need to be an accountant. You handle the meticulous tasks that accountants may not have time for, ensuring tax compliance and maximizing savings for customers. Job opportunities in this field, with an annual income ranging from $38,000 to $57,000, can be explored on the screen. This position is relatively straightforward, requiring basic typing and math skills, earning it an opportunity score of 8 out of 10. Now, let's discuss the junior data entry clerk position. This role involves transferring data from one source, point A, to another form, point B. Specializing in areas like lead generation can enhance your skills. Despite attempts to automate data entry, human involvement remains essential. Junior data entry clerks typically earn between $34,000 and $48,000 per year. While not an ideal lifelong career, it can be a viable option for a few years, earning it a 7 out of 10 opportunity score. Relevant job opportunities are available on the screen. Next up is chat support, which is essentially customer support delivered exclusively through chat. This method is gaining popularity as more consumers prefer it over traditional phone support due to its convenience. Chat support agents, handling simple queries through chat, earn approximately $34,000 to $57,000 annually. Many opportunities are available, and some hybrid roles may involve sales or appointment setting. While this job doesn't require a college degree or prior experience, it's relatively easy to enter. Certain roles may blend technical support with sales responsibilities, presenting additional income opportunities. Overall, it's a familiar option with a 7.5 out of 10 opportunity score. Moving on to the remote research assistant position, this role involves aiding a researcher by researching data sources, documenting issues, and creating content for various projects. Research assistants typically earn $42,000 to $70,000 a year. Specializing in a niche is crucial for success in this role, and opportunities in specific niches are highlighted on the screen. Proficiency in typing and research skills is key for this role. With an 8 out of 10 opportunity score, this job is well suited for those skilled at online research. Now, let's discuss the remote order processor position. Order processors work behind the scenes, focusing on accurate data entry, order tracking, and ensuring customer satisfaction. They operate in various industries, such as retail, food service, and manufacturing, earning approximately $35,000 to $50,000 per year. The role requires swift data entry to ensure timely order completion. While similar to data entry, speed is emphasized in order processing, with a 7.5 out of 10 opportunity score. Job opportunities are displayed on the screen for reference. Next on the list is the document scanning or indexing specialist, responsible for scanning, storing, organizing, and ensuring the easy accessibility of documents for others searching for them. This entails adding relevant keywords to facilitate searches, making documents easily searchable within an archive. Document indexers focus not only on easy retrieval, but also on locating specific information within the document. For instance, those indexing newspaper articles consider the keywords users might employ to find relevant content. Document indexers typically earn between $43,000 to $64,000 annually. Unlike simpler data entry or transcription jobs, this role requires more thought, anticipating what users might input in their searches. Additionally, it involves quality control, addressing issues like ink blots or difficult-to-read handwriting. Job opportunities are displayed on the screen. Given the extra skills involved, this role is compensated more, earning an 8 out of 10 opportunity score. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.